Isn't this nice, huh? This alley. Look at this behind. Ta-da! So charming, huh? I am inside here the 207 Cristo building that has Sunglass Hut as my tenant. They've been my tenant here for many years and they renewed. And it's so important to get a national tenant. So why is it important to get a national tenant? Number one, they have a system. The floor, the look, they have professional people that come in as designers. They take the space as is. They bring their designer and improve your own building. How great is that? Moreover, they don't want to sign for 1 or 5 years, they want to sign 10 to 15 years. So whatever they spend as expenses to open is amortized. That means it's actually expensed over many years. So when you work once and you have a tenant that signs 10 to 15 years, what a great advantage. You also get what's called triple net. They pay the lease, net of tax, insurance and maintenance. You also get what's called the corporate guarantee. That means it's guaranteed by the entire corporation. You know, Sunglass Hut is part of, they have LensCrafters and all this is part of Luxottica retail. Luxottica is one of the biggest companies in the world. 500 million people wear glasses, whether sunglasses or eyewear, around the world with that same company from Italy. So it's a great tenant. And not only that, you get escalation every year. You get 3% increase, or you can sign a 5-year, then an increase of 10% or 15% another 5 years. So you're able to meet or beat inflation. Having a tenant like this in your building increases the value of the building. They're happy, you're happy, and you give them what they want and you support them, and they help the community, and everybody works together to make it a better area. And when they are here, another national tenant want to come next door, etc. And that's what we've been able to accomplish on Cristo, Fortaleza. We put the jewelers there, we put the retail tenants here, souvenir in another area, and the whole area becomes fun for museums, for shopping, for fun, for churches. And that's the experience people want. It's not just about shopping, it's about the experience and experiencing the culture, the music, the entire fun of being on vacation or being in your own city but coming to a place where you can spend the weekend and enjoy it.